Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Electrical Boost. Today we are going to discuss what is capacitor and how it will be work. Okay. First of all, see what is the capacitor. A capacitor is a passive two-terminal electrical component. Okay. The capacitor is a component that having two terminal. Let this is the capacitor. It will having two terminal, right? And it a passive element like resistor and inductor. Okay, the work of capacitor is the which store electrical energy in the form of electric field. Okay, the capacitor is store electrical energy in form of the electric field. Okay, first of all, see what is the construction of the capacitor. The capacitor generally it consisting of two thin electrical plate separated by some dielectric medium. Okay, the dielectric medium is the insulating medium. Let this is the thin plate, two thin plate separated by some dielectric. This is the plate, conducting plate, and between this is the dielectric. You can take as dielectric like mica, glass, okay, any insulating paper, okay, or air you can use. Okay, let having this the two plate, okay, like that, two thin plate, like that, two thin plate, okay, like that, two thin plate. Okay, then how we know capacitor will store the energy? Okay, for understanding this we go something, okay, like that. Let this is the two plate capacitor having separated by between this some dielectric, or here I taken as air. Then I having supply some connect the battery, okay, to supply. Okay, when we apply some voltage across the capacitor. Okay, here in before applying this, before connect the battery, it will the plate having some positive charge and negative charge, like that, like it having some two plate having content, some one plate having some content positive plate and positive charge and negative charge. Okay, like that. Okay, before applying the voltage. Okay, when we apply voltage, it will what happen when the electron will flow, it will same charge here, the positive, here the same charge will repel, but opposite charge will attract. So that what happen in this side the positive charge will accumulated in the one side, and negative charge accumulated in the other side. How it will happen? First, when we apply the positive charge, here this plate, consider that having this plate, okay, this plate containing some positive charge and negative charge. So when we apply this positive charge here, that what happen, the positive will repel, but the negative will move, the negative charge move, like that. Okay, and here also when we negative charge apply, here the positive charge will move, okay, so that here only happen this positive and here only negative are there. But sometime when the plate will completely positive, like that, the positive, and this side sorry, this side will be negative, will be fully negative. Then it cannot flow any charge through it, it cannot allow to flow any charge. Okay, that means the capacitor will be full charged. Okay, if we connect, after that if you connect a bulb here and disconnecting this main supply, it will disconnecting the main supply, here will the bulb will be glow, the store energy will transfer to this bulb. Okay, because it store initially, then the plate will, when the fully charged, when we apply the force, when we reduce the force, then it will try to make it own position, so that it will release some amount of charge to the where the path is complete. Okay, where the path is complete. Okay, in this way the capacitance store the charge. Okay, the capacitor store the charge. The capability of the storing charge is called capacitance. Okay, the capacitance is the capacitance is the is measure capacitance is measure of charge per unity voltage, that means that can store the element. Okay, the capacitance is the denoted by unit is 1 farad, the C equal to Q by V. Okay, that amount of charge stored is equal to per unity voltage. Okay, here the I is equal to dq by dt, I equal to dq by dt, that is the, and the other capacitance formula is like that, C equal to epsilon A by D. Here the epsilon is the permittivity, and A is the area of the plate, and D is the distance between them. Okay, here if you increase the distance, then capacitance will decrease. If you increase the area, capacitance will increase. If you decrease the distance, then the capacitance will increase. Okay, for increase the permittivity, we use some dielectric material like mica, glasses. Okay, like that. Okay, that is the concept of capacitor. Okay, next we go how the capacitor will oppose DC. Okay, when, let's see, when we apply DC supply to the capacitor, it will take some current, but some period of time. When it will be fully charged, when it will fully charged, when it will be negative, when it will be fully charged, then capacitor does not draw any amount of current, because it will, these two plates are maximum number of charge, then after that it will not exist any charge in through it. Okay, so there is after some time, when DC, after some time it does not allow any current through it, so that the DC does not, sorry, the capacitor does not allow DC. Okay, but in case of AC, in case of AC, in case of AC, okay, in case of AC we already know AC is the alternating in nature, AC is the alternating in nature. So first in positive half cycle, that positive potential like that, okay, and negative potential like that. Okay, after when the negative half cycle, it will change the plate, so that initially at the positive half cycle it will charge, then sometime it will discharge, again charge, discharge, so that this cycle first initially the this like that. Okay, initially that is like that, then after negative half cycle it will like that. Okay, sorry, like that. Okay, so that it is in alternating. Overall you look, it is alternating, so that capacitor allow AC current through it. Okay, but some lead, okay, but some lead condition. Okay, when the capacitor will fully charge at the time that this is the VC, voltage across the capacitance. Okay, when it will at zero, voltage at zero, voltage across the capacitance when zero, then current will flow. We know when there is no potential, though there is no charge, then current will flow. After it get fully charged, then no current will flow. So in this period when the voltage will zero, when the voltage across is zero, then the current maximum. When the voltage at maximum or fully charged, then current will zero. After when it is the alternating, when the voltage again zero, then it will at maximum, when it is maximum it will zero, when it is zero, then it is maximum. So the current in capacitor is like that, current in like that, it is lead to the voltage. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.